Hi guys, one of my students have sent me this SP Jain campus Delhi. पहले मेरे को तो थोड़ा फेक लगा कि यार how is possible, how can SP Jain have a campus in Delhi? But when I check the link, that's actually yes, SP Jain have a executive management campus in Delhi. So they have a 30,000 square feet campus in state of the infrastructure with classroom and non-classroom learning in Delhi, Kasturba Gandhi Marg, on Kasturba Gandhi Marg. So looking at the picture, sounds like a floor in a building rather than having a campus type of campus. So that's a typical Bombay type campus they have. So sounds like good. So answer is yes, SP Jain have a center in Delhi, but the main focus of these program of the centers at Delhi was supposed to be for the management education. Yeah, they might have got your database from CAT. Yeah, and they are sending messages to everyone. When I check on the link which they have sent here, which they have given on their page, so they have offered this PGP program in general management, complete 2 years program designed to equip executive for the high level responsibility, blah blah blah, conducted by the faculty from Mumbai campus. So you're getting the same education which are there. The program content and the innovative pedagogy is based on the successful executive program which have been offered by SP Jain in the last 15 years. Cooperates a partnership with SP Jain for the executive management include L&T, Mahindra & Mahindra, Tata Capital, blah 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 blah. They've done all these things. So sounds very interesting. Everything sounds perfect. But when you click on the complete detail about this program, it's a 24 months alternate weekend program. The moment I read that, I've stopped looking further. This means this is not for us. This is not a full-time MBA program. This is an alternate weekend program for the executives. So it's more of a part-time MBA for executive with more than 5 years of work ex who are unable to take a break from their career. ठीक है, तो ये उनके पास CAT का database आ गया, तो they are sending the SMS email blast to everybody and don't get into the trap. It's not a full-time MBA. Even Narsi Monji is doing the same thing. Narsi Monji launching an online MBA program in which complete 2 years you have to do it from online with placement assistance. Boss, we don't need a program with placement assistance. प्लेसमेंट असिस्टेंट मतलब हमने कंपनी को मेल भेजा, उन आगे से रिप्लाई नहीं किया, देखा हमने असिस्ट कर दिया. प्लेसमेंट तुम्हारी हो ना हो तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम है. या क्लासेस आर ऑल्टरनेट, नॉट एवरी वीकेंड, ऑल्टरनेट वीकेंड. नो नीड टू टेक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम करियर, this and that. You will join the SP Jain community, but if there is no placement, this make no sense. This is not a MBA program, please remember that. So this justifies yes, first of all, SP Jain have a campus in Delhi, but that focus on that campus is mainly on the executive management program, not for the full time MBA. ठीक है, तो आपको जो है ऐसे SMSs आएंगे PGP बोल के. PGP in general management sound like a normal program, but this is a part-time program. Yeah, so very much avoidable. So don't waste your time on all these things. All right, now because of a campus in Delhi, they might start a full-time normal MBA program. We don't know, that's in the future, but this is not the full-time MBA program. Avoid it.